Christine. I'm back with a flip through of a Halloween journal I did, and I've had this done for a while, and it's like less than 2 weeks to Halloween, and I'm just making a video, but oh well, it's the story of my life. So this one, I actually used a lasagna noodle box to make the cover, so it is kind of soft, kind of a hard cover. This is the little window that's you'll probably recognize the brand if it has a little window on the front. I took the plastic, because it's a real thin plastic that's in the box on the cover when you get it, and I replaced it with, you know, when you get stamps and it's on that hard plastic, I replaced it with that, and then I stamped a spider on there, and it's all on the inside, so like you can't like scratch it off because the ink's on the inside, and then it's covered by paper, so it's all enclosed, so you don't have to worry about this like coming off or anything like that. But that is a little spider there. And this is also just some of the gold ink that I went around with a paintbrush and kind of added to the spider webs that are on the paper. Here is the spine. Just has some black rosettes on it, and then the back is the same paper as the front, and then all along the edge is gold washi tape, type of washi tape that I have, just to cover all that. And then the charms on the side. So what I did, there's 7 signatures, and I left all the ties long when I put it together, and then brought them all up to the top of the book. Basically braided it down the back here, and then put a key on, and then one of the Tim Holtz little metal pieces there, one of his charms. So that is that. And oh, I didn't measure the spine. About 2.5 inches on the spine. So the journal itself is about 4 by 11. Not exact because it's a lasagna box. There's 7 signatures, 96 pages, which makes 192 fronts and backs. The entire inside of this I covered with tyvak, so it's very strong. And like I said, it's kind of hard, but it's soft at the same time. So I'm going to try and get this done before the camera runs out of time. So this is a sticker here, a little x-ray. Here is a little tag. Let me find something to... There we go. And then I did a lot of stamping, a lot of Halloween stamping. I tried to do this on all the tops throughout the book, kind of just make it all go together. And then each signature I also added a little section like this with the little side tab like that, so you have them on the sides. And then this is washi taped in. And then you just have more writing space. And this is all tea-dyed paper that's in here. And then this is scrapbook paper. It's all from, I don't remember who made it, but it's all from like one collection. Right. And then these are larger tucks there. More stamping. This is a little envelope here that is stamped on. It just has a little bit more tea-dye paper in there. And then a little pocket. Center of the signature, more stamping. It's all stamping on there. And then all the pages are also stamped with a little bit of writing on the background. But again, I mean, I do this on all my pages. I think it's neat. Just add something, but you can write over it and be able to still read what you write, which is nice. Pocket. This is just some of the leftover paper from the collection. It all matches, and then I backed it with a yellow index card. So I try to give more writing space. This is just, I got this at the dollar store. It's one of those things you're supposed to be able to, I've never been able to do these where you kind of hit it, and yeah, that worked really good. But I just thought it was cute to put in there. This is glitter sticker I've had forever. trying to keep this in the frame because it's such an odd size. This is a stamp here that I have. Did that throughout the book. And then second signature, and they're kind of all the same, just different papers, different designs. Same idea throughout each section. There's a tag with a stamp, and then I just punched some of the papers, and then did a leaf, and then did it with some, this is dyed ribbon seam binding with, and I used Tim Holtz dye, or his inks to do these. So I kind of, when I did these, it's kind of the same thing, different stamp, different papers, same idea for each one. So each signature has one. And then a little tuck, oh, that's not there. Tuck there, and this is another piece that's added in to give you more writing space here. Alright, and there's a tuck there. This is another, yes, I don't think I did him as a tuck, but it's another glitter, little glitter bat. Belly band there. This is a time card. I just added some washi tape too, and then inked the sides up. This is a piece that just kind of pulls out, gives you more writing space. Since the book is kind of tall and thin, that's why I was trying to give more writing space. So I was trying to add places. It's more stamps on here. This is like some gauze there. So here's another tag with the stamp, more punches, leaf, and then more of the ribbon. Here's two little stamps. Here's another one backed with a yellow index card. This is a little bag here that I stamped on, and then another time card. That just fits down in there. Corners tuck, another tuck. I'm going to try and pick up the pace because I'm about halfway through my space right now on the phone. Another tag, another tuck, another section that's been added in for more pages to write on. Okay, there's another tuck there. There's the center of this signature. It's one of my favorite stamps right here. And then, of course, you can't have Halloween without Edgar Allan Poe. Stamping. Another card with yellow index card on there. Here's another envelope, like the or one with the cat. Has some tea dye paper in it, more paper to write on. Here's another little tuck, belly band, another time card with just some washi tape on it and then inked around the edges. Here's another added in section, another tuck there, more places to write. And even some of this, even though it's has a design on it, you know, if you have black ink, you can definitely write over this, and you're going to be able to read it, so which is nice. Here's another X-ray sticker. I believe Michael's had these. You can get them in sets this year. More stamping. There's another stamp. Okay, here is the center of this signature. A lot of Halloween stamps, you can tell. Here is another Yellow index card back with paper. Another stamp. Another stamp there. Here is Kitty Cat, the glitter. And then another tag. And I'm hoping I'm keeping this in frame. More little die cuts there. And then another leaf. I thought I put the rat in the cat. There. Okay, another belly band. There's some washi tape on that one again, and inked around the edges. And then another tuck there. More stamping. There's a place here to add. This is a sticker here. Another added in section. Tuck. More places to write. Here is another tag with the little scallop punches, several on there, and then more of the ribbon, center of that signature. There's a tuck spot there, a little pocket, another little envelope, again stamped, and then it has tea dye paper on the inside, more places to write. Here's a sticker with more stamping, a little tuck there. Yep. Another page with yellow index card, and then tuck. This is another x-ray of a bug. Another tag, scallop punch, leaf, ribbon. Another added in section here, places to write. This is stickers here. Center of that signature. Tuck. There's the other side of that sticker. A spider. Another card. The yellow index card. Here's another little bag they stamped on that you can definitely add anything in there. A little tuck. This is also like a tuck here. Another added in section. More places to write. More stamping. There's a little tuck there, a little belly band, and then this is just extra tea dye paper with some of the extra paper, made a little extra little booklet there. Stamping. Here's the center of that signature. Another little belly band. On the side here is just another little card with the next card, and then this is again some more leftover tea dye paper. Just made a little booklet there, and then here's another booklet with more places. See, I wanted to make sure there's a lot of places to write, and then the last bit of the book. That is the back. So hopefully I have not run out of. Oh yes, I'm still good. Have about a minute left on time. So again, it'll be in the Etsy shop and all that, even though it's real close to Halloween, just because it took me so long to make a video of it. But, oh well. I really like how it turned out. If you have, love to hear your comments. It's a lot of fun to do this and everything. So like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will talk to you later.